Hello everyone, little video here to help you get used to the new ways that we'll be working here in our classrooms at JCC. So that we can take our learning as far as we can and we can have you here as much as we can, we are all involved in looking after the health and safety of each other. So let's just do a quick demonstration of how that's going to work in terms of a classroom. When you get to your classroom with me, what I'm going to ask you to do is go straight inside. Do not wait outside. If there's nobody in there, come straight on in. When you get in, you're going to sanitize your hands with the antibac gel. You're going to take a wipe with you to your desk. This will be yours. You will then take a seat, probably assigned to you by your teacher, probably me. You will wipe down your surface. That's about how long it takes, a few seconds. Get in as much of it as you can so that it stays clean for you. You're also welcome to wipe down your seat as we go along as well. So, this is your wipe. You are then going to look after that until the end of the lesson. You can place that by you. If you have a mask, you are welcome to take it off during the lesson. You're not going to put it on the desk, you're not going to put it on the chair, you're going to store it safely in a bag. I recommend a plastic bag that you can then keep it in throughout the rest of the day and keep any germs within it. The reason we say not on tables or on chairs is because if the virus has attached itself to your mask, if you put it on the table, it's going to attach itself to the table and endanger others. So you are welcome to wear a mask in the classroom, or you are welcome to take it off. We will be keeping you as safe as that. While you are in the classroom, you're going to stay in your seat. I know that might not be as exciting and maybe it does limit us a little bit, but that is for our safety so that we can all stay here as long as we possibly can and get the most out of our lessons. So please stay in your seat, stay where you are, and your teacher will provide the lessons for you. When the lesson is done, you're going to put your mask back on. Your lanyard will obviously be on with you all the time. You can take a wipe. You are welcome to then clean the desk again after you go, and the next people in after you will clean the station anyway to make it clean. So we'll make sure this is all clean. You will then be dismissed from the front row first, then the middle row, then the back row, so that we don't walk past each other too much while we are exiting the room. Your wipe will go in the bin. You're welcome to get some more hand gel on the way out, and then you head out to the classroom. If this is your last lesson of the day, please go home so we can keep the college as safe and clean as we possibly can. Thank you very much. We look forward to seeing you in the classrooms and help each other to look out for one another and keep things clean. Thank you.